Hello, my beauties. Hi, how are you guys doing today? Okay, yeah, I know I'm extra ratchet because I kind of just got up. I didn't want to get all dolled up and cute and all that kind of stuff. Don't care. But today we are going to be toning my hair in the water method. I don't quite remember the quite name for it, but oh well, it is what it is. But I done seen people take their extensions and their weaves and front laces and all that kind of stuff, and they've been dyeing the water and dipping their hair in it until it tones to the color that they want. And so today, I got the Purple Haze, you know what I'm saying? Hair dye, purple. We want the purple. We got the hair dye going on right here. This is what I'm using. And so I'm gonna put it in the water, I'm gonna mix it up, and I'm gonna dip my hair in it. And I got a little towel. This is the only towel I can find. We have all white towels here. And I'm using chopsticks, you guys, to mix this with, just because this is the only thing I have that's disposable. And I just wanna make a quick little video of me toning my hair a little bit. I have tried this before, and it turned out pretty good. So as you guys know that if your hair is like a yellow tone, to tone out that yellow color, you need purple to cancel out that, you know? And if you have more orange tones in there and you're trying to cancel out the orange tones, you want to use a blue base. So my hair is like very high, definitely a 10, high yellow, so I want to use a purple base to, you know, tone out these colors that I don't want from, you know, it just aging, I guess. Because I was gonna do my whole hair, but I was like, I didn't give my hair a break. So this is like the safest way that I can refresh my color without what's called, and it's the cheapest. And you guys, I use this for everything. I'm gonna put you on, okay? I'm gonna do a whole video on this, on what I use this for. And you guys are like, what? I'm like, yes, honey, yes. Okay. So, let me move that, let me move this. I'm scared, I don't want to get wet. Let me move this wire, because it's electronic. So I'm going to be dipping my hair in here. So this is going to be the first part, and bam, bam, bam. Okay. Hopefully this does not turn my hair purple, because I think I put way more than I put in here last time. And last time my hair turned out a little pinkish. I just don't. Okay. And I'm not gonna keep it in that long because, honey, this stuff changes quick. So what I'm gonna do, sorry you guys for getting out of camera. So what I'm gonna do is just dip my hair in there. Look at that. It already got stuff on it. I'm gonna have to be quick because I don't want this little purple stuff comes in there. I mean, they're not fully broken down and I don't want them to dye my hair to purple. I don't want my hair purple, you guys. This is gonna turn me into an ash. This is gonna be an ash. Oh, sorry. This is gonna be ash, so let's get into it. Okay. Hopefully you guys can see good. Oh, you got, excuse my legs. Oh, I should grab my mirror. Because I gotta make sure it's not getting too dark. Hold on. Oh my gosh, it's definitely. Let me do the back. Look at that, it grabbed it. Ugh, I don't want to get nothing else wet. So I'm gonna wash my hair, you guys, because I like to use shampoo to strip some of this color out. It's definitely toned it. You can see it a little bit. The back. Hopefully I get the back good. Yeah, see, like, this is perfect. That's all I need to do. I don't want it to get any darker. I need her to go rinse this out really good. I don't want it to sit. So this is what I wanted, and we'll be right back. Excuse me. Okay, you guys, I'm back. Just set myself down. Yeah, it didn't really take, hold on, let me grab it. It didn't really grasp because I didn't let it sit as long as I did last time. You know, I let my hair sit in there and it toned it, but it gave it like a little pinkish, like, due to it. I guess this is like a fail almost away. So next time I'm gonna try to leave it in a little longer. But I wanted you guys to see what I did, because I did this before. I've seen everybody doing it, and you know, I just wanted to get into it. I wanted to show you guys. I guess I didn't sit in it long enough, but yeah. But I just threw a little product in there, set under the dryer, and I was like, this is so freaking frustrating, but it's okay. I mean, the color's still better than what I had kind of liked before. And once the sun hits it a little bit more, it will definitely turn to what I want it to be. But yeah, this was just a short little video of me trying this DIY fail. But yeah, if you guys enjoyed, want to see some more little projects that I like to do and experiment with, go ahead and hit the subscribe button. If you got a comment on something even better that I should try, go and leave a little message down below. And if you enjoyed this video, enjoyed everything, even though it wasn't that much, you know, entertaining, but like this video. All right, you guys, I love you. Thank you for watching.